Today we are reviewing the multifunctional air cooler with 3 speeds. And this little unit really does cool. I love it. And you'll see this is what you get in the box. You get your instructions, you get your remote control, and you get your cord to plug it in. It is a USB-C plug-in. So you can plug it into a laptop or any device that you can plug in your USB-C to. I just have it plugged in to a little charging unit that I use, and it's running perfectly, which makes this unit really great for picnics, short trips, even camping, because you can plug it into any device and have a small AC. Right now, I have it on the lowest setting, and I have it on a 0 mist setting. This little setting is for your misting. So when I push it in, it'll start to mist a little bit. You can feel it. It feels a lot cooler, but you can't really see it. If I bump it up to 2, I tried to set it up so you could see it, but I don't think it's coming out in the video. But you can see in real time the mist is coming out, and it's really cool. I love this whole thing. And this is so nice because it's a good size to carry with you. It's got the little handle. It's small. This is your little water tank, which is super easy to fill up and drain. You just pop that top off, fill it up, and if you want to drain it because you're not going to use it, pop top off, drain it out. I can't say enough good things about this. This has been awesome. I just set it, like, sometimes it gets hot in our living room, and we have really tall ceilings, as you can see. So I'll just set this next to me when I'm on the couch watching TV and it feels a little warm in here. I just set it next to me, and I have one of those little stands that has the USB plugs in it, so I can just plug it right in and turn it on, and it'll cool me right down. And this little light function you see going, it does have a switch here for that. If you hold it down for a second, it'll turn it off. You can turn it back on, and you can hit it again, and it'll stay stationary at that color, which is also nice. Sometimes you like to have a little light. Maybe you're watching TV, but you just want a small light so you can see to move around. This is great. But sometimes you just want to turn it off because you're trying to watch a movie and you don't want a distraction. Also great. And these little levers move up and down, so you're able to just set it where you want it to blow on you. Also, it has the remote, and the remote has all the same settings on it that you use on the little device itself. And you can see that's the timer. I just changed the time, set it for 6 hours. This was a very inexpensive little unit, but it really is a lot better than other units I have bought like this. Other units I have bought like this haven't lasted at all more than about 10 hours. And this one, I have been running it for like the last 10 days, a little bit every day. Whenever it gets the hottest part of the day in the house, that's when I've been using it. And we're getting ready to go camping, and I can't wait to take this thing camping with me. This is going to be a lifesaver when you're camping in the summertime. All in all, I think this was a great buy. Thank you for listening.
And this one shows how powerful the fan is. You can see a switch here. You can put it in the middle on high speed. And this one shows the water and stuff. What my favorite thing is like the color. You can change the colors here. Maybe you want blue, yellow, purple, green, or whatever. I just like to put it on the multicolor because I just like when it changes to all these colors. And to put water in it, it's going to be from here. Whoops. And you're just going to pour water in this, just like so. just poured it, and I can literally already feel the water. It's just like sprinkling on me. And obviously you're gonna close this off. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but the water's coming out from here. I don't know if you guys see the mist right here. If I put my hands, you see how it's like wet and stuff? The mist is coming out here. And you can control the mist and put it on a more powerful mist from here. And let's not forget, you can also control this by using the button. This is, you see, to turn off, to turn on. Again, you can use the button. Maybe if you lose the remote or whatever. I want you guys to see like the mist. I don't know if you guys can see the mist. Maybe if I stand like this, you guys see how it's like shooting like the mist like that. It's like the best. Make sure to buy this. This is the multifunctional air cooler. Oh my god, I just put water in it. Put the water in here, and then you can change the direction using this. You can see the mist coming out when you add the water. And this is the remote it comes with. It's kind of cute. So I'm gonna change the color. Oh, it's cute. Oh, I like purple. Can you guys see the mist? Okay, and then we have the fan speed. So this is the first fan speed right now. This is the second one. It blows cooler. Like, I'm kind of cold right now too. And this is the highest fan speed. It comes with a Type-C USB plug. And a little strap. You can carry it. It's cute. I would put like ice cold water in it, and then I would probably add like a little ice pack inside, or like those reusable ice cubes in there to keep the ice that I put in there cold. And then yeah, I would use this during the summertime. This is all the colors. This is cute. Let's see if I turn it to the side. You guys see the mist coming out.
Hold on. Okay, so you found out your daughter was driving because she told you? After you took me to the side of the accident.